coming close, so maybe I feel like it's giving like bigger soap suds. So hopefully you guys can see, hopefully you guys can see me in the camera. Is the soap suds bigger or what? What's up, you guys? It's your girl Victoria, and today I am here with another video. So this video is brought to you by the company Banila Co. I am reviewing their Clean It Zero Bathroom BFF set. It's the ultimate double cleansing set for beautiful skin. In this box, it comes a 3-in-1 cleansing balm that quickly melts away stubborn face and eye makeup and completely cleanses skin in one simple set. The next thing that comes in there is a foaming cleanser that transfers into a rich and moisturizing micro foaming to deep clean, remove impurities, refresh and moisturize skin. Also inside comes a cleansing towel and a spatula to remove the Cleansing Zero Bath Original. So yeah, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. Alright you guys, so we're gonna go in with this. I showed you guys, can you see it? A quick preview of the Banila Co. Clean It Zero Bathroom BFF set, and this is sponsored by Banila Co. The boxing on it is very, very beautiful. It gives you directions on the back and what's in it. Pink is my favorite color, so you guys know that I am truly in love with this. I have my hair pushed all the way back. I look a mess because I went to sleep with makeup on last night and I hadn't taken it off, so I decided why not take it off with this Banila. And I really want to thank them for complimenting my things. So I'm going to give you a, sorry if my shirt looks a mess, I'm going to give you a look at my face. And let's see, because my eyebrows is really always the part that doesn't come off. So let's go ahead and unbox the product. So unboxing it, this is what comes in the box. The directions say to use the Clean It Zero first and then use the foaming cleanser after. So I'm going to open up the spatula holder and I'm just going to take that out. So this is what the spatula looks like. I'm going to open this and just take a little bit, because you only need a little bit just to fill up the spatula. About this much it says. And I'm going to put it on my hand. The consistency of this is really, really thick. It's supposed to turn to oils after on your face. I can't really put my thumb on it yet to say if you have oily skin, do not use this, because it comes with the foaming cleanser after. So if it turns oily, it may dry it out for you. So I don't know yet, but I'm just gonna take some of that and put that on my hand. And when you rub it, it does turn oily. So I'm just going to put that on my face. I definitely need a little bit more, so I'm definitely going to go ahead and scoop that. Scoop about that much. And then rub my face. So I'm gonna go clean my face off. Wow. My face feels really clean, you guys. FYI, if you're doing this for a video, when you go ahead and wipe your eyes, please do not put the oil like so. I had my eyes open for the video, but don't keep your eyes open because it leaves a film over your eyes. If you get it in your eyes, it doesn't burn or anything, which is a great thing. I'm glad that it doesn't burn, but my skin feels really good and it feels really moisturized. Like, I really love the way my skin feels. My lips are ashy. So my mascara is always the hardest thing to come off, and like it came off, and it has my lashes looking like really good. It doesn't look like it pulled anything out. My eyebrows are always hard to come off, but they came off really well, y'all. My face feels really good. I don't want to keep touching in my face, but you can tell, like, I can tell a difference on my face. Okay, so I want to put my input in. I know that they send a towel, but you're really not supposed to dry your face off with a towel because towels carry bacteria. So any bacteria that was left on your face will be into the towel, and you're just putting it back in. You're really supposed to use paper towels, and when you're using a paper towel, you're supposed to pat your face dry. So don't forget and keep that in mind. I didn't use a towel, I used a paper towel, but my skin looks really good and hydrated. I'm gonna go in now with the Clean It Zero Foaming Cleanser, and this will give it back some moisturize. Even though it feels moisturized already, this is the consistency of it. Oh my god, my nose. So I'm gonna wet my face again because it says on a wet face do it. So let me go wet my face. Okay, so my face is wet, y'all. I just look a mess, but it's okay. So now I'm gonna go wash my face off. This gives it very like a tacky. Let's see what it feels like once I finish washing my face off. Being close, so maybe I feel like it's giving like bigger soap suds. So hopefully you guys can see me in the camera. It's not so tacky anymore, so maybe it needs to have more water on it. Let me go wash this off. All right, you guys, so I am finished with both of the processes. I really love the Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm Original. There are 3 other types, but I really love this. This had my face feeling really smooth and hydrated. Now when I went in with the Clean It Zero Foaming Cleanser, this is leaving my face with like a film on it, which is like very dry. It says that it's supposed to moisturize skin, deep clean, remove impurities, but I think it's removing too much of the oils from my face because my face is feeling really dry and tight at the moment, which could probably be a good thing, but I definitely love this one. I'm gonna try these again probably in another video when I have like more makeup on or whatever the case may be, but these items were everything for me, you guys. All right, you guys, this is the finished look. If you guys have not liked, subscribed, or comment, go ahead. My subscribers is going up thanks to my family. I love you guys. We are on this YouTube journey together, so thank you to my 10K subscribers for supporting me the whole way through. I have more reviews for you guys. You guys seem to love my unboxings and my energy from the unboxings, so yeah, let's keep that going. Enough is said, you guys. Definitely go out and purchase these. I would keep in mind that this one dries your face out as it says it's supposed to moisturize, and this one gives you moisture. So probably switch them out if you decide, but it says you're supposed to use this one first to take all the makeup off and this one to clean and get deeper and deeper into your skin. I'm really thankful for the company actually sending this and gifting this to me for this video. with all said, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video.